There are five top foods that every household should have in their pantry and kitchen. Number one, fresh cilantro. Not only does it taste yummy and add coloring, but it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Number two is ginger root, the root. It's another natural anti-inflammatory. I cook with it all the time. It adds spice, but usually is gastric protective. That means it helps protect the stomach. You can even add it to your green tea, which is another antioxidant, with some lemon, which is another antioxidant. Number three, garlic adds flavoring to everything and is a great anti-inflammatory. Mm-mm. Number four, turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and it adds a beautiful orangish coloring to a lot of your yummy meals. And number five is the omegas in the wild caught salmon. You only want wild caught salmon because farm raised salmon is given red dye for their coloring, and the water systems are usually run through plastic pipes. So the farm raised salmon is no good. You want the wild caught salmon to get those omegas. They are great for your cardiovascular health